PostPulse AI is one of the most exciting AI tools to hit the market recently, and in this review, I'm going to cover 7 crucial things you absolutely need to know about it. If you're considering using PostPulse for your business or personal projects, stick around till the end because there's a lot to unpack. And trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming. Let's dive in. First, if you're new to AI, or even if you've used other AI tools before, PostPulse stands out in the way it's designed for real-time engagement. This software specializes in taking your data, whether that's customer feedback, user activity, or anything else, and turning it into actionable insights instantly. Unlike other AI platforms that require long setup times or complex training, PostPulse makes it almost effortless to get started, which is a huge plus for anyone looking to jump in quickly and efficiently. One of the most impressive features of PostPulse is its ability to provide personalized analytics. It doesn't just look at the surface level data. It helps you drill down to what's actually moving the needle for your business or project. This means you can make decisions based on real-time data with incredible accuracy. Whether you're a marketer, business owner, or content creator, this could revolutionize the way you optimize your strategies. Another aspect I want to mention is the user-friendly interface. With AI tools, it's easy to get overwhelmed by complex dashboards and options, but PostPulse manages to keep it intuitive and accessible. You don't need a degree in data science to understand the metrics or apply the insights. It's really designed for people who just want results without the headache. Now, let's talk about the automation features. One thing I've found incredibly useful is PostPulse's ability to automate key marketing tasks. From email campaigns to social media strategies, the AI learns from your data and adjusts campaigns in real time. This can save hours of manual work every week, giving you more time to focus on scaling your business or getting creative with new ideas. And yes, the AI gets smarter the more you use it, which means the longer you work with it, the better the results get. You might be wondering, is this the right fit for my business? Well, PostPulse works across a variety of industries, whether you're in e-commerce, digital marketing, or even content creation. It tailors its services to meet the needs of your specific niche, so it's not a one-size-fits-all approach. That level of customization is what makes it so powerful. Now, I've got to mention the pricing. PostPulse offers a free trial that gives you access to many of the premium features. So, if you're curious about how it works or want to test it out without any commitment, you can try PostPulse completely free using the link below. I highly recommend giving it a go if you're serious about taking your digital efforts to the next level. Another thing worth noting is the integration capabilities. PostPulse integrates seamlessly with platforms like Google Analytics, social media tools, and email marketing software. This means you can easily sync everything you're already using into PostPulse and get the most out of all your platforms without any extra work. Finally, one of the most compelling reasons you should be paying attention to PostPulse AI right now is its ability to scale. Whether you're a small business looking for a growth edge or a large enterprise needing reliable AI solutions for complex tasks, PostPulse has the scalability you need to keep up with changing demands. So there you have it. The 7 key things you need to know about PostPulse AI. If you're still on the fence, you can give it a try completely free by clicking the first link in the description below. After testing out hundreds of AI tools over the years, I've finally found a handful that consistently deliver real value, and PostPulse is absolutely one of them. Be sure to check out my other recommended AI tools in the description after this video. Thanks for watching.